So k raised to power 3 root 2 equals to root 2 raised to power 2. Of course, let's multiply the power of both sides by 3 root 2 so that we can have k raised to power k raised to power 3 root 2. Then we multiply by what? The power by what? 3 root 2. This gives us a root 2 raised to power 2. We multiply the power by what? 3 root 2. So let's bring this 3 root 2 come in and carry the k raised to power 3 root 2 out. So we're going to have k raised to power 3 root 2. Root 2, let's bring the 3 in. We interchange the 3 and for 2. So now let's deal with this so that we can have root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Everything raised to power 2 root 2. Which gives us a root 2 times root 2, that's root 2. That's 2 root 2 raised to power 2 root 2. Of course, if you look at it, this one, all this one can be equal to this. Then all this one can be equal to it. So we can say k raised to power 3 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2. So let's multiply the power. The power of this one is 1. Let's multiply by what? 3 root 1 over 3 root 2. So that we have k raised to power 3 root 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 root 2. This gives 2 root 2. Of course, this one is going to count this. So we can rationalize this by what? Root 2 over root 2. So we are going to have k equals what? 2 times what? This is 2 raised to power half. So everything is raising what? 2 raised to power 2 raised to power half. 2 raised to power half over 3 times this. We are going to have 3 times 2 raised to power 1. It's going to give us what? 2 raised to power, this is 1. 1 plus half, that's 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So everything is raising what? 2 raised to power half. This one is division. So the power is 1. So I minus 1 all over 3. So this 3 cancels the 3 out. So I'm going to have k equals to 2 raised to power 2 raised to power half minus 1. So this over 1. So we're going to have k will be equals to what? This one is going to give us 2 raised to power half. This half can become 2 raised to power minus 1. And 2 raised to power minus 4 here. K will be equals to 2 raised to power 2 raised to power minus 1 plus minus half. Which make this one to become k raised to power. This one will give us 4 raised to power what? Minus 1 plus minus half give us minus 3 all over 2. So this gives us what? 1 all over 4 raised to power 3 into what? Half. This gives us 1 all over what? 64 raised to power half. Which is the same as what? 1 all over what? Square root of 64. Will give us 1 over 8. That becomes our final answer.